much stuff, too much stuff. Think, get the thing. I can do it, I can do it. Of course, it's like a puzzle. Hello guys, and happy Christmas Eve from the Bituta garage. For me, it's still not Christmas. I think it's like 2 weeks till then, but as I edit and upload this video, it should come out on Christmas Eve. And if it doesn't, feel free to comment, Gerda, you keep editing the videos at the proper time. But yeah, I wish you all a very happy Christmas. But yeah, as I said before, I'm already in the garage, as always. So for today, I got lots of new parts for my Suzuki, but I will talk about it later. So we have plenty of work to do today, but firstly we have to clean this place, because that's how the garage looks right now. That's the reality. It's very hard to keep up with the nice and tidy looking garage on the winter time because it's very wet outside, but we will manage that in a second and then start vlogging. So everything is clean now, and now we can start properly vlogging. And look what I got. It's like Christmas for me, not only for you. But yeah, so I got my parts back. They were powder coated, and look how everything looks. Before they were silver, but I wanted it to match my bike, my new bike's design, which I have in mind. So they all had to be black for it, and the quality is amazing. I painted them at Idorati, which is located in Marijampolė. So for some of you who lives in Lithuania, I would recommend. And also got some parts for my Suzuki. Lots of unpacking to do. But yeah, got some filters for the bike, and lots of parts that I don't even have any idea where to put, but that's why my friends are here. But yeah, lots of stuff, not interesting. I will show you everything when we put it on the bike. But yeah, so because it's Christmas vlog, we wanted to make it very Christmassy and special. So we are thinking to go to buy a Christmas tree, and we will try to decorate it here in the garage. And yes, so I think we will go in a second. My friends are watching and waiting for me to go, so bye. Are you ready for some Christmas spirit?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
The Christmas tree is finally up, and with the Christmas spirit I can finally start working on my Suzuki. So now I will try to clean and reassemble the brake calipers. I have a renew kit with all of the seals, and now I will start working on that. So I removed the brake calipers from my motorcycle. I can show you the bolts. It was quite hard to get them off. Look at the state of it. It was never been changed, I guess. I actually never saw anything bad about my brakes. The secret to that is never to press them. Just kidding. So I changed the brake pads not so long ago, so I think I will just put the same ones in. But now I have to remove all of the seals, so I will get to work. I have to remove 3 bolts in here.
I struggle to see what your reasons are. Sitting in your balance, silence breaks my heart. Turn the keys to be.
So we will have to clean everything. Okay, help me, my friend. You don't trust me?
Say you need a break.
Your turn.
Okay, So these bits are off with the air pressure. That's the only way to do it nicely without damaging anything. And now I have to remove the seals. Two of them already came off, so I will remove the rest. So the seals are off. Now we have to clean every bit of it. We are done cleaning them. Now I have to put in the seals. Okay. Too much stuff. Where's the help? Why is there so many of them? Okay, this one is smaller, this one is bigger because these cylinders are different sizes. Okay, pink, yeah, pink. Okay, that's completely the same size. What the? I want to go home. I can do it. Of course, it's like a puzzle, you know? I did puzzles from a young age. Guys, I think it's success. I finally did it. Okay, so that's for the smaller ones. Let's put them here. And that's for the bigger ones. Let's put them there. Do I have any oil in here? No, I don't. And my friend told me to cover everything in a little bit of oil. What should we do? Can I use like regular oil? I don't know. So that's why I'm going to call him and ask. I'm a nightmare for my friends, trust me. Labas. Yeah. Okay, success, found it. So I will use this thing. What? I don't know how to pronounce it. My friend was very serious when he said, don't use too much. So I'm making sure I don't. Okay. That was easy. I just hope that when I'm doing this alone, my friends will not watch and say, you did something wrong. Now you have to rip everything apart. That's my biggest nightmare. I have my friends who help me a lot. And when I say a lot, I mean a lot. Almost every single day they are here and helping me with Suzuki, and they are fixing their bikes, of course, but doing lots of work on my Suzuki. So I appreciate them very much. I have the best team, trust me guys. You should all be jealous because I am for myself. Also, the LED lights came. I will show you. I said that I will update you guys on everything that we get on the garage. So I got these LED lights with this remote control with different lights on it. It was from AliExpress, and I think I paid like 10 euros or something. It works quite nicely, so hopefully it will last long, you know. So we will put it downstairs, because now we take care of the main space, you know, so much, and we don't spend much time down there. So we are thinking that we need to put some extra effort and make it the place where we want to be and where we want to spend our time. Also, the billiard table is in my house, so I have to bring it in here. So I think that should be quite fun. So when we will have our coffee breaks, we will be able to play. I love billiard, so we're looking forward to that. Oh, the seals are already in, so it's time to put the cylinders in and try to put it all together. So now for the cylinders, I'm using this special oil, so I can use quite a generous amount of it. I don't know the brand because I can't read anything, but it's supposed to be good for it.
Struggle to see what your reasons are. Sitting in your balance, silence breaks my heart. Turn the key used to be our getaway car. Now I only wanna get away from where we are. 'Cause it's fake, yeah.
So now I have this small seal. I will put it right here.
I struggle to see what your reasons are. Sitting in your balance, silence breaks my heart. Turn the key used to be our getaway car. Now I only wanna get away from where we are. 'Cause it's fake.
Okay, I'm using a lot of power, but I think my friend will look at it and tighten them if needed. And yeah, now we have this part. It should go like this. Have to be like this. Now we will put in the brake pads. I'm using the old ones because, as I said, I bought them not so long ago and they are still in good condition. Now I have these bolts. I don't know how to call them. I think they have a special name. But if you know, you know. And I will cover them in copper spray. Okay, I think that's enough. Taip, молодец. Now I can see that I put the brake pads the wrong way. At least I noticed, you know. So that's a good thing. Okay, so this hose has to go down.
Say you need a break, yeah. I struggle to see what your reasons are. Sitting in your balance, silence breaks my heart. Turn the key used to be our getaway car. Now I only wanna get away from where we are. 'Cause it's fake, yeah. Say you need a break.
Okay, so that's about it. Now it's all assembled.
See what your reasons are. Sitting in your balance, silence breaks my heart. Turn the key used to be our getaway car. Now I only wanna get away from where we are. 'Cause it's fake, yeah. Say you need a break, yeah.
Механик Игорь.
Игорь! Все хорошо.
Молодец.
So that's everything what we did today. So we decided not to put the tire in because tomorrow I think we will finish. For you, not tomorrow, but on the second video I think we will finish the engine and it will be easier to put in without any, you know, tires in the way. And now, as I said before, we bought these LED lights, so we will try to put them all around the ceilings in the downstairs. But firstly, I have a very exciting news for you. Let's go, I will show you everything. So, as you can see in here, we have quite a few things. And I'm very happy to announce that me and my partner, the Greatest Welding, created this motorcycle helmet and suit wall mounts. So I will leave some pictures up here so you can see how everything looks. They are made from a very strong carbon steel, so don't worry, your heaviest suit will not weigh it down. If you would like to buy one, I will leave all the details down below. I'm shipping them all around European Union, and every single penny goes straight to my racing fund. So if you will buy one, you will support me in the sport. So thank you in advance. But yeah, so now we will try to put the LED lights all around. So I will not show you the process because this video will be super long. So I will show you just the end result. So wait for it. It feels like we are at the club. So yeah, so that's the finished result. Unfortunately, we didn't have enough to cover all the ceilings, the part that we wanted, but that's all right. Actually, what we noticed is that for a price, it sticks to the ceiling quite well. So if you want to buy them, you can find them all around at AliExpress. So that's the end of the video. So thank you guys for watching it. I hope you enjoyed it. And once again, Merry Christmas. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up, follow my channel for the future videos. And as always, kisses. Bye.